What's good YouTube, and welcome back to the channel. JD here with yet another video for you guys. So far this year, we've probably seen at least 100 different dunk colorways. I'm talking SBs, dunk highs, and the dunk lows. But the sneaker I'm going to review in this video may be the nicest colorway of the dunk low to drop this year. I will be talking about the Nike Dunk Low in the University Blue colorway. So what's good guys, I hope you guys are doing well. In this video, I'm gonna break down the sneaker. I'll talk about the quality of these and also when is a good time to buy them. We'll get into sizing, I'll give you some alternative lacing options, and as always, I will be giving you guys that on-feet look, so make sure you stick around until the end of this video. So the Nike Dunk Low University Blue. So there have been so many dunk colorways this year that we can't even tell them apart anymore. Earlier this year, one of the first dunk lows to drop was the Dunk Low in this Coast colorway. And no, you're probably not the only person who thought that both of these shoes were exactly the same. There is a slight difference with the Coast colorway. The blue was a little bit lighter, and also there are some subtle hits of orange on the tongue of the sneaker. This sneaker is much more of a true UNC colorway. That's pretty much the only color besides white, of course, that you see on the sneaker. Another major difference between these and the Coast was that the Coast were actually a women's release, so it was pretty difficult to get your hand on some of the bigger sizes, the men's sizes. The University Blue, thankfully, it did release in men's sizes. I was able to cop them in my size. They officially released on June the 24th. However, it seems like the release date was very much different depending on which store you're looking at. Now, I know we've seen a lot of dunks this year. In fact, some of us are probably even tired of seeing so many dunks. But this colorway really makes you appreciate why this silhouette has been so popular over the last couple of years. I mean, look how good this sneaker looks in this colorway. Just a ultra clean pair of shoes, a perfect summertime sneaker. And when compared to the other colorways, this one is pretty much the cream of the crop in my opinion. These and probably those green glow dunk lows that dropped earlier this year, these two for me, the best dunk low colorways we've seen this year. Let me know down in the comments which is your favorite dunk colorway to drop so far this year. The leather on these, so if you've been watching my videos this year, you know I've definitely been pretty harsh when it comes to the leather quality on all of the GR dunks we've had this year. My standards for dunk leather quality have dropped so much that on first impression when I opened this out the box, I was like, oh, the leather doesn't seem that bad. I had to go and grab my Syracuse pair from last year to remind myself of what good leather is supposed to be on dunks. The leather quality is vastly different between these two pairs, definitely much worse on the UNCs. If you're thinking of buying dunks this year, don't even think about quality in my opinion. If you like the colorway, just go ahead and cop. They look great on feet despite the quality, so if there's a colorway that you like and you certainly have a lot to choose from, then when you buy the shoes, just don't expect too much in terms of quality or you will be disappointed. At least the good news is the resale prices on these are not too high, especially if you're comparing it to the Coast colorway that dropped earlier this year. If you look at the men's sizes in that Coast colorway, they're selling for way more than the UNCs are selling for right now. So the prices might look expensive, but comparatively speaking, it's not. However, definitely compared to some of the other dunks we've seen drop this year, the UNC pair seems to have one of the highest resale prices we've seen so far. I do think you're better off buying these right now rather than later on. It is still a clean colorway, and although dunk prices have started to come down in some of the other colorways, the cleaner ones haven't really come down that much, such as the green glows and also those photon dusts. So I think clean colorways continue to do well, including this UNC blue. One thing I don't really like about this sneaker are the laces that it comes with. These dunk laces we've been getting this year, they're not exactly your standard flat style laces. Instead, you can see they're a bit shiny looking, which I'm just not a big fan of. So I went ahead and threw on these white low top laces, which I think match pretty well with the shoe. When it comes to dunk low tops, I prefer to have white laces on there for some reason. I just think it's aesthetically a better look. I just launched white low top laces on my website, Elevate Laces, which you can definitely find in the description. The colorway goes perfectly with the University Blues, and thankfully they're not shiny like the laces that they come with. So go ahead and cop them. The link is in the description, Elevate Laces, and we do ship worldwide. When it comes to sizing, thankfully with the Dunk Low, it is pretty simple for me. It fits perfect going true to size. I wear a size 11 in most shoes. I fit a size 11 in these. For reference sake, I fit the same in Jordan 1s and Jordan 4s. So just go with your true size. Overall, what are my final thoughts? Are the Nike Dunk Low University Blue a cop or a drop? Hey, maybe I'm a bit dunked out at this point, but definitely I cannot deny that I love this colorway. It really does look amazing on this silhouette. This UNC color has become one of the most popular colors on Nike and Jordan models over the last few years. This is a shoe that is attention grabbing. It looks great with any outfit. And I also think from a price point of view, if you compare it with some other UNC blue sneakers, for example, the Coast Dunks, also the UNC blue Jordan 1s that dropped earlier last year, those Eric Costin pairs as well. This pair right here sells for a much cheaper price than all of those models. So I do think overall, if you love dunks or if you even love this colorway, this is just a great pair of sneakers. So I'm gonna go ahead and give these a cop. Let me know down in the description, what do you guys think of the Nike Dunk Low University Blue? And are you a bit dunked out at this point, or you just can't get enough? You wanna get pretty much every other colorway out there of the dunks? Do not forget to follow your boy on Instagram. The handle is right here. It is at JDKick6. And if you haven't already done so, hit that subscribe button. We are almost at 50K guys, which will be just crazy to see. The on-feed portion of the video dropping right now. Thank you guys so much for supporting this channel and for watching this video. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.